Hi there and welcome to the Loan Market News Desk, and today we want to give you some updates around refinancing your home loan. So first question is, do you need to refinance your home loan? Well, potentially, if you're one of the people facing the fixed rate cliff as has been described, then you may need to consider the options. Now, people facing the fixed rate cliff are those that have had a great fixed rate for the last few years, probably a 1.9 or a 2.2, and they're about to see that fixed rate expire, and the banks currently are offering somewhere around that 6%, so it's certainly going to change for them. So Andre, why should people consider refinancing?
Well, there's a number of reasons really. Can really help with the cash flow. So over time, when we had really low interest rates, number of clients also took advantage of borrowing funds, let's say for car loans or some unsecured debt. Now that you're facing that mortgage cliff, your repayments on mortgage are likely to increase. On top of that, if you are still having to pay those additional liabilities that you have, you might struggle. With the property prices increasing over the last few years, it's a great opportunity to consolidate all the debt on a lower rate, because that unsecured debt would be quite expensive over short term. Therefore, your cash flow will be significantly improved once you've faced that mortgage cliff.
So essentially, put all your debts in one basket and you'll achieve a lower rate, thinking that, the average credit card runs at 21%, so a 6% home loan doesn't sound too bad. Now, the only problem you may have, and we've experienced at the news desk, is a number of customers, when they've come to refinance, are struggling to refinance their current home loan because serviceability in the past 12 months has changed as the rates have increased, which means that some people are stuck with their current lender. When they come out of the fixed rate, they're having to accept the variable rate being offered by that lender, which is often higher than the market is offering at this time. But we have some good news for you. What's the good news, Andre?
Yes, we do. As the mortgage rates are at 11 or 12 years high, number of lenders have introduced reduced serviceability buffer. What is the serviceability buffer? So basically, if you're borrowing money with a lender for purchase, let's say, the bank adds 3% on top of the net advertised rate for the mortgage to make sure you can afford the mortgage in case of potential rate increases. Well, number of lenders with the refinances have reduced their buffer down to 1%, which really improves your borrowing capacity and gives you that opportunity to refinance and have that servicing capacity for the refinance that you want.
So the good news is that those people who for a while there weren't able to refinance and get themselves onto a better rate can now do so. And also, we still have a few lenders out there offering rebates. Now, not as many as before. I think we've got 3 or 4 lenders now offering around about $2,000 rebate. But if those lenders suit your needs, we can get you those rebates too. So, never a better time to still think about refinancing. Don't feel you're stuck in the loan you've got. And if you've got any questions about refinancing your home loan or any home loan queries, then Andre and myself are ready at the Loan Market News Desk to give you a hand. And don't forget, of course, our numbers will be shown down below. Thank you.
Thanks.